Hey everybody, Brian Horvath here with another LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip. And I'm excited to share with you today a LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip that I think will really help you expand not only your connection request acceptance rate, which on average is about 20 to 30%, especially if it's a blank connection request, meaning you've attached no message to it. But I really also want to encourage or to equip you with a way that can have more people connect with you, which means you don't have to do as much as the heavy lifting. If you watch any of my videos at all, you've seen that I kind of talk about there's two main purposes for LinkedIn. One is that you would connect with people and opportunities. And secondly, that of course people and opportunities that connect with you. Now, I think that is just got to keep that in mind, that it doesn't, some days are better than others, some weeks are better than others, but ultimately, I think it's a good healthy connection rate to get you to 500, or connection amount is to be at 500 plus. So you can really have some breadth and depth of your network being deeper and wider to get you the most bang for your buck when using their profile or using your profile effectively, using the platform itself. But something I want to share with you here for today's LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip is maybe something you haven't thought of before, and that's to ask God for help. Now, I am a man of faith, person who follows Christ, but I don't share my faith often, in every video or whatever, but I definitely want you to consider a divine connection and divine inspiration when it comes for you to make more waves, good positive waves and connections on LinkedIn. And so I thought about this book I read years ago called The Prayer of Jabez. In the Prayer of Jabez, it says here, "And Jabez called on the God of Israel, saying, Oh, that you would bless me indeed, and enlarge my territory, that your hand would be with me, and that you would keep me from evil, that I may not cause pain. So God granted him what he requested." And my friends, I just want to encourage you to pray that request for yourself when it comes to being of influence on LinkedIn, to making those network connections that will move the needle in your life and in your purpose, your career, and overall joy that comes with being connected to the right people on LinkedIn. So I hope that helped, and have a great week.